Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to use Shorts AI, create engaging short videos fast. And right now, if you're familiar with ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Midjourney, all of those applications or software require payments. Lots of money. I think Midjourney requires $20 or more. I think ChatGPT requires $40. 11 Labs, I think, if I'm not mistaken, costs $60. For this video, we're going to utilize a free trial and then create videos automatically autopilot with no hassle. So this feature is going to be called Shorts AI. Before we get started, let's talk about the pricing. Perfect. So this is going to be the prices and going to be the Shorts AI. We have the free, the essential, most popular will be the pro and advanced. So for this video, we're going to utilize the free. We're only going to create one video though, just for discussion purposes. Now let's go back on the dashboard. Welcome back to the video. Let's all click this all together. I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Now Shorts AI has a very user-friendly interface. This right here is going to be the inside of it. You have three sections. You have the series, you have the account, and of course you have the billing. For now, let's click on create option right there. If you're satisfied with the AI or the software, click on the upgrade version to go for the paid subscriptions. Anyway, I'm going to click on create right now. And with that being said, for Shorts AI, since this is going to be a free trial, this is going to be a three-step process. First step, we need to choose which is going to be the destination. May it be under TikTok or YouTube, wherein if you choose one, it will automatically upload the videos directly on your YouTube account or your TikTok account without doing anything. Every day there will be a new video posted on your account, easy as that. But for this video, we're going to utilize email me. And with that, step 2 is what will be your video series be about. Now, for the upgraded versions, we have philosophy, we have fun facts, interesting histories, bedtime, scary, and the works. For this one, I'm going to go for random AI story because we're only using a free trial. And for step 3 is basically a narration voice. You have Bruce right there, and everything is for paid subscription. So I'm just going to choose Bruce right here, wherein if I click on this play button, we can all listen to it.
To exist is to change is to mature is to go on creating oneself endlessly.
Pretty deep voice, right? That's a pretty AI voice. Anyway, for the video language, we're going to go for English. So for the art style, we're going to go for shorts. We have so much. I think these are for paid subscriptions. Anyway, for the background music, you can turn it on, but that is for premium services. Basically, that's going to be just a background music. For duration preference, it can be up to 30 to 60 seconds or a minute to a minute and a half. So I'm going to click on series right now and I'll see you once it's done. So welcome back to the video. So this is going to be the results and it took roughly around a minute or two. Before I get into the video preview, we have the things on the left side. We have the text option, the image and settings. Take note, we only have the free trial, so we have very limited editing options here. However, it's only the difference of paid and gonna be the free trial is basically that you can edit stuff here starting from title, caption, script, and edit the images inside. Anyway, with that being said, let's check on the preview.
Upon a time, in a forest where dreams were born, lived a little owl named Oliver. Every night, he would soar through the starlit sky, guiding lost dreams back home. One evening, he noticed a shimmering light deep in the woods. Curious, he followed it, flapping his wings gently. As he approached, he found a little star named Twinkle, trapped in a web of silver threads. "Help me, Oliver," she pleaded. With a determined heart, Oliver used his sharp beak to free Twinkle. Grateful, she said, "You saved me. As a thank you, I'll grant you one wish." Oliver thought for a moment and wished for every child to have sweet dreams.
And with that being said, that is basically an awesome video. You can simply click on download option right here to download the video and then edit it and send it to your email, upload it to YouTube and TikTok. Take note, if you have the paid subscription here, you can have this pre-automated created every day in your TikTok account and your YouTube account. Anyway, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.